Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I haven't uploaded in a while because it's been a crazy few weeks, few months. I've been busy with my shop, creating new products, and trying to keep all my plant babies alive. So this is gonna be a very quick plant haul because I really try not to buy any plants in the last few months, but I ended up buying a few in March when I went to Home Depot. I could not control myself. So I did not buy that much, so which is good. So first I purchased this beautiful cactus that was grafted. Um it's it's interesting how they do this. I don't know how I feel about this actually, to be honest with you. Um, and then you see this right here. It looks like glue. So I don't know too much about grafting, but wouldn't that like damage the plant or something? Despite it's not too spiky, so I can actually touch it and it doesn't hurt. But yeah, this overall is cute. It caught my attention. They did have it in other colors, but I decided to just get this one. And yeah, it's really tiny. Look at this. But it's so cute. Okay, you guys, I had to charge my phone really quickly. But yeah, so I got this one. It's really pretty. The color is beautiful. I'm gonna do more research on grafting. I'm curious to see what are the different ways that it's done. Okay, and we're moving on to the next plant. This is the Cylindrica snake plant. I've been wanting to get one of these for a while, and it's very pretty. It's long. I'm hoping to get a pot so that I can put this whole thing inside a really cute little square pot. Let me see, is this... No. Yeah, it's two. And plus it needs to be square. But for now, I'll just leave it there. And my other snake plant is still alive, so it's very easy to take care of these. This one does need watering soon, so I'm gonna water all my plants tomorrow, Sunday. So that's probably gonna take all morning because I want to make sure that I go through every single plant and check to make sure there's any issues, and so yeah, that's gonna be tomorrow. The soil is very dry, so it definitely needs water. So it's so pretty. So now I have two different types of snake plants. I would have had three, but my moonshine died, and I did try to propagate the last leaf that I had by cutting it and putting it in soil, and it did not work. So it is harder than people make it out to be. My last two are succulents. This one, look at this, so pretty. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's very hairy. It has like little hairs. Let me see if you can. You see? Isn't that cool? It's so pretty. First of all, I've never seen. I think have I? No, I've seen so many different types of succulents that it's freaking crazy. But I don't think I've ever seen any like this. And I'm not exactly sure what type. It says Echeveria here. I mean, I guess they know best, so. But I wonder what would happen if you try to propagate one of these. Like, will it come out like that as well? Because I forgot which snake plant it is, but when you try to propagate it, it doesn't come out like the regular one. I think the girl said. I was watching this video, and she tried to propagate this weird snake plant, and it didn't come out like the snake plant that the leaf came from. But yeah, I have to look that up. But I'm gonna definitely propagate this if one of the leaves fall or something. It's a little bit harder than people make it seem to propagate, and I've tried so many times, but I do have an upcoming video where I will show you guys this these succulents that I was actually able to propagate, and it's the first time that it actually worked, so I'm happy. And this one is the last one. This one is the last one, and for some reason I think it may need more sun. This is like wilting, the little thingy, the little flower thing. See this right here? It's wilting. I'm gonna change it to the other window, see if it could get more sun. Look how beautiful this one is. It's so big, and then it has the two babies there. Look at this. Let me see if I can take it out from here. Actually, I'm not sure I can. Yeah, that's gonna be difficult to take out from here, but I'm in love with this one. It reminds me of the other one that I had, the first succulent I purchased, the big green one. That one died. I no longer have it, unfortunately, and I was not able to save it or propagate from any of the leaves, so that was a very sad moment. But this one, I'm gonna try and take care of it and see if it could get bigger, and hopefully I don't kill this one too. So yeah, so these are the 4 plants that I got. I am running out of space, and I know I keep saying that every time I make a video, but it's the truth, and I'm trying really hard not to buy any more plants. Although I do want to get a prayer plant soon, so maybe, I don't know, maybe in a few months I'll buy one. Yeah, so okay, so let me know, guys, which one of these was your favorite. Do you have any of these that I showed? Any tips or tricks that you can recommend down below? Just leave them down below in the comments, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Oh, and make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. See ya.